Very good morning to all. Today we will do chapter Document for a Purpose, Skill 8 using page format option. Skill 8 using page format option. Page formatting options and important parts of creating a new document in the way it appears within the page setup. It is very important that it look formal and well presented. There are a number of formatting options that you can use to make sure that your document looks formal. Now, page setup. This is how the page will be displayed. It includes settings such as orientation. Now, what is the orientation? The direction in which a page displays. This can be portrait or landscape. For example, the direction in which a page is displayed, portrait or landscape. Now, page formatting option. Click on the layout tab, then click on the orientation button. How to use page formatting option? First, click on layout tab, then click on orientation button. Now, two options are available, portrait and landscape. Portrait orientation is how a page is usually displayed on screen. This is when the longest two sides of page appear on the left and right hand side. Left and right hand side. Page appear on the left hand side and right hand side. The next point is landscape. Landscape orientation is when the page is displayed the opposite way round, meaning when the longest two sides of the page run along the top and bottom of the page. Top and bottom of the page. For example, see, top and bottom of the page. And portrait. Page appear on the left and right side, and landscape page appear on the top and bottom side. Clear to everyone? Now the next point is to change the orientation on single page. Firstly, select all the text on the page, then click on the layout tab, then click on the small arrow. For example, firstly, select all the text through shortcut key Control. Select all the text through shortcut key Control plus A. Control plus A. Then click on the layout tab. Then click on the small arrow of the bottom right hand corner of the page setup area. See, this will open a window detailing additional page setting. I hope you understand the topic using page formatting option. First, page setup, orientation, page orientation. how we can use page orientation option or page formatting option. Then next is to change the orientations of single page in document. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.